have my weight. I'm going to... Alright, I picked up another load of limestone this morning and am going to unload it, but first I gotta get that beautiful thing. I've got to put that on my tractor, otherwise I can't carry anything. The tractor's too light. I'll take that off first, so can't do too much. Whoa! And I gotta do this in a hurry because I gotta go pick up my kids. I know this wood. I was playing lumberjack the other day. Got my beautiful weight attached. Now I'm ready to go. Look at this. That wheel. See it in 3 seconds. Just look how nice they are stacked. It's a beautiful thing, really. That way, I can just take that thing, come up under it, and grab it. The guy I buy them from, so nice. Super easy to work with. Does a great job stacking them. So yeah, here it goes. I'm going to get rid of those 4x4 posts over there. Got my off-road park right here in my backyard. Alright. Now, can we get that up there on the first try? The tractor's got the steam to do it. I'm going to try to film while I do it. Look at this. This thing. Incredible. Shoot, duty. Flipped her over. It's not what I wanted to do. Alright, I gotta shut the camera off. All right, coming in on the next video for the retaining wall. I don't know, it's gonna be probably like part 3.5 since the third part was terrible. But I found this bar. Which has proved quite helpful. I've been using it to kind of pry out the rock and more strategically place it. Because what I've been having issues with, and I'm sure you've seen on the videos, is the bucket works best because it keeps the weight close to the pivot point, so I can lift more weight with the bucket that way, but I can't see anything. The rock's usually all in the bucket, so when I'm back here, I don't know where the rocks are. So I have a terrible time when I let it down. I can't see what's happening, and then usually I'll let it down and it'll either grab it in and fall off, or it'll roll backwards and fall behind the wall, which I've kind of remedied. I've been filling in backfill so it can't roll completely back, but if it does roll back, then it brings the dirt up here, and it's just a whole mess. So what I've been doing is putting dirt back there, using that bar to pull the rock out, and then once it's on the wall itself, I can just push it back with the loader, and it's been working pretty well. I've been able to be more strategic about how I set the blocks and stuff. So I knew that that was a thing that I could do, but I just didn't have a bar. And then I found this thing laying around. I think I bought it. I didn't buy it. I brought it here from a rental property that we just bought this year. And it was left there, so I brought it here and I threw it in the shed over there, and was in there yesterday getting the the day before yesterday getting the chainsaw. So saw it, I was like, hey, I'll just try to use that. So that's what I've been doing, and I mean, it would have been super helpful over here because these are kind of, I don't know, not great placement, but you know, it is what it is. They're gonna serve their purpose and they're not gonna fall. So that's what I've been doing. So this is the last block off of the load that I picked up yesterday, and honestly, it's gonna finish the piece of the puzzle. I need to put more on the ground after that one to continue building. So one more load is probably gonna get me to where I need to be for now, because I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do over there yet. So one more is gonna get this finished to the stage that it needs to be for now, and then I'm not gonna put another row up here at least yet. I'm gonna try to take some of that dirt, you know, because you can see there could be another row, you know, at least to right here. But I'm gonna kind of try to take some of that dirt and bring it down on top of the wall, and then make that less steep. So yeah, that's kind of where it's at. I'm gonna place this last block. All right, so here's the wall so far. This is gonna be the last of filming for now. As you can see, I'm out of blocks or rocks, so I need to get some more of those, but honestly, it's turning out pretty well, I think, anyway, for my first time, and just kind of doing it in pieces. It would have been nice to have all of the rock at once, so I could have picked you know, what went where, obviously, but you know, wasn't able to do that because I'm picking up a load when I can, and I can only haul 5 or 6 at a time depending on the size of the rock. So some pieces aren't put together as puzzly piece as I would like, but it's turning out, you know, okay. I think it's pretty good for my first go round. I actually do really enjoy this. It's my daughter's play set. That's why I'm gonna put it in a wall here. But yeah, here it is. So I'm gonna probably put some dirt back in there. I don't know if you can tell, but this right here is higher than that, so it goes kind of slopes back. So I'm gonna put dirt on the back in there to kind of, you know, cover maybe the first half of the rock up and level things out when I get done. But and then I'll obviously, I said earlier, I'm gonna try to bring some of this dirt from the top of the hill, or not top of the hill, but the top where I cut back, and bring that down on the top of the wall. So it's kind of all encapsulated with dirt. But yeah, and then I gotta get this cleaned up. I'm gonna get rid of those 4x4s. My plan with those, I decided to go a different route. I got a good deal on them, so hopefully I can sell them for at least what I bought them for. But yeah, I'd say, like I said, one load left to finish out where I want to get to right now, and then the rest is history. I'll probably do something here eventually, but that'll be pretty easy to tie into. I can probably just take that rock off, put a long one there, and kind of start tying from there. So I don't think that'll be too hard, you know, even though I've got a straight cut now. But yeah, that's kind of where I'm at. So hope you guys enjoy it, and once I'm done, I'll kind of give a overall review of what I learned, and from knowing nothing essentially, and you know, maybe help somebody out in the future, because I learned a ton. But that's for another video. So hope you all have a good day.